Welcome again to my YouTube channel, Bush. Now I want to compare two powerful grids, two decoders here. I have here Magic G26 Forever V2, and I have here Red Tiger digital satellite receiver T26, the same T26 Forever V2, and Magic G26 Forever V2. T26 Forever V2, G26 Forever V2. These decoders are made by the same company but with different branding. You can see physically everything they have looks alike. Everything they have look alike. From this, you can see the ports. This port here, and this port here. This ports, the same ports, and this one the same ports. No difference. They have power buttons, and this one also has power button. So physically everything about these two decoders look similar and the same, even from the logo here to the logo here. The Magic and Tiger, Magic T26 Forever, G26 Forever. So that is the physical component. So this is the Tiger, this is the remote, and the remote for the T26 Tiger, the same thing here. But let's go to the Magic. You can see everything seems to be okay. So what is the basic features of the difference of these two decoders? They have a Forever multi extreme. These are the components of the Tiger. Then we go to the components of the Magic. Just virtually almost the same thing. Virtually almost the same thing. So we want to just see. We're going to go in now. I'm going to plug both of them to the television, and let's see the display quality of both and the IPTV that both of them have. So just stay tuned as we continue. So it is the interface of the Magic G26 Forever. You can see the components: Apollo TV, Mego, IPTV, Fly, IPTV, Go, IPTV, Bigo, Pink IPTV, all apps. Let me click on all apps and see what will come up. Okay, these are the antenna settings. So these are antenna settings. So these are the functions, internal functions. You can see the display interface of it. So I will go to, so these are it. We have settings. We have this other IPTV here. Top spot, top series, top team, Turkish series, YouTube, paid apps. There are many apps inside, and don't forget it's also a total free-to-air TV. So that is the setup, the display. So we're going to continue now. We're going to do the blind search and see how long will it take to do a blind search on this Magic G26. Blind search of the Magic G26. I want to see how many minutes it will take to do a full blind search, to know how quick it takes to scan. I'm using Astra 28.2E. I want to quickly see. I want you to understand the same remote. I'm using magic remote. Magic remote. So a Tiger remote works for the magic decoder. The Tiger remote, the Tiger power cord, the Tiger, everything the same thing. So this thing is almost getting to here. Let's see. 0, 59, 2, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 0, 8, 2, 9, 2, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it took me 2 minutes, 18 seconds to do a blind search on Magic G26. 2 minutes, 26 seconds, 2 minutes, 18 seconds to do a blind search on this Magic G26 using Astra 28.2E. So this is the Tiger remote I told you. I want to show you that it works. I want to cancel it. I don't want to do the channel search. So exit without saving. So this the function of the Magic G26. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to search a complete channel, and we'll see the display how the picture quality is. So this is the channel list search. I've done one. This is Astra 28.2. This is the channel list. They are all free to air. So you can see the display quality of the Magic G26. So let's go to another one and see. Joy Prime. This is the display quality of the Magic G26. Let's take one more before we go. Rock TV. So all good. Look at how it displays. So let me press the OK button, or let me press the menu button and see if it has like a display box, just like the way Tiger displays. It has a display box in between when you press the menu button. So all good. This is the Magic G26 for you guys. So it's your decision to see if this box is good for you. We'll take a quick one for Tiger T26. It's time for us to analyze Tiger T26 forever. Let's see how many seconds it will take to do a blind search for this. Then we'll see the display quality. First of all, let's press my menu. Now I'm using the Magic remote. I'm using this Magic remote for Tiger decoder, and it works perfectly. No difference between both of them. Look at this one. Look at this one. Look at the two remotes. Everything, the only thing that is different here is just the write-up Magic and Tiger. Every other thing you see, they are the same. Every other thing you see here are the same thing. Every other thing you see, no difference. So in terms of remote wise, in terms of power cord, every other thing you see, physical, the only difference is just, for me, is just the paint. This and this color, red and yellow. But in terms of remote, every other thing you see is the same thing. So we'll continue. So this is the display for the Tiger. I've seen this one a couple of times. It has its own IPTV. By the time you press all app, you see more IPTV. Had a display box in between. So let's quickly go to our installation. I'm still using the Magic Decoder, Magic remote on this. Let's go to our installation. Quickly go to installation. So default password is 000. Antenna settings, it is same thing. This is a display. So we want to do a blind search for this. Quickly, let me just quickly do a blind search for this to know how many minutes it will take to do a complete blind search. I'm searching for 12525 Joy Prime, Real Prime Joy TV. So hold on guys, start the blind search now. Nope. So the other one took us 2 minutes 18 seconds. 2 minutes 18 seconds. 2 minutes 18 seconds. Took us 2 minutes 18 seconds to do the full blind search for that one. I'm going to wait that long. So we're still searching a Tiger T26. So we have 150, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 2, 1, 202, 203, 204, 205, 206, 207. So it took us 207 to do a blind search for our Tiger T26. It took us 2 minutes 18 seconds on Magic. So it's negligible. Maybe network for one of those TPs was not faster, one was slower. So it's the same range. So can give it to them 2 minutes few seconds. You do a blind search for them. So let's quickly do let's quickly search for this, a TP search, and see the display quality of this, and see the display quality of our Tiger decoder. Okay, so we do a TP search for it. A TP search for, let's use the Joy TV, the Joy Prime, and the rest. Do TP search for this, and quickly see the display for it. So it won't take any time. TP search doesn't take long, so just hold on. It's out 28. So let's wash out channels and see. You will satisfy. So this is the Magic. Sorry, did I say Magic? This is the Tiger T26. We're done with Magic. So this is the Tiger display. This Tiger display. So let's do again Rock TV, the last one. The Tiger T26. So what do you think about it? What's the difference? Any difference? I'm not seeing any significant difference. And don't forget, I've not done any adjustment on the settings. If I go further to do adjustments on the display, full HDMI, both of them will come out better than the way you are seeing it now. So let's quickly go to the menu. You can see it is the menu box. So guys, what do you think about these two decoders? Make your choices. Thank you and bye bye.